Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Now Platform Washington, D.C. release features. My name is Elvis Pena, and I'm a solution consultant here at ServiceNow, specializing in our IT asset management solutions. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating and providing information on the enhancements to the hardware asset management solutions within our Washington, D.C. release. Now, this presentation may contain forward-looking statements that reflect the current beliefs of ServiceNow and are based on the current information available. Now, these forward-looking statements should not be relied upon in making any purchasing decisions. So today we're excited to unveil another new feature that is set to change how you do asset management. Now, that being said, we're excited about our integration with Lenovo to bring in manufacturer warranty information based on serial numbers through a direct API connection. Data like this can and should automatically populate in a customer's ServiceNow platform, and we're looking forward to actually providing you with that experience. And so within this integration, a pre-configured API with Lenovo automates the population of warranty coverage on Lenovo asset records. Now, this data is important for asset managers to forecast refresh schedules, resolve issues, and stay on top of those renewals. Now, we don't want customers to hunt through company support pages in order to identify when a product is out of warranty, like when data like this can live right in their ServiceNow platform. Now, customers can forecast refresh schedules based on official dates, resolve issues based on their published warranty details, and stay proactive through the important actions to ensure devices are being supported. Now, to briefly explain how this feature works, this will come through as a new tab within the asset record to the official warranty end dates. A new scheduled job will query the manufacturer support database to be able to populate the warranty dates by the serial number directly from Lenovo. All right, this concludes a high-level overview of our new asset warranty integration with Lenovo on the Now platform for the Washington release of hardware asset management. A full list of additional features and fixes for our existing products can be found on our products documentation page at docs.servicenow.com. Thank you again for listening, and please don't forget to check out our other Washington, D.C. release session videos. Bye now.